in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Planswift on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead and go to Planswift's main website. So just do a Google search Planswift. Now, depending what location you are in, you go ahead and click on the correct one. So I'm in Australia, so I'm going to do the .com.au. But if you're in America or other countries, go to planswift.com or related. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. It's all basically the same. Now, from here, I'll show you that it's the same. So if I go to planswift.com, it should say try now for free, or they got a free trial here. So either or. So free trial here in the .com, but I'm in Australia, I'm just going to do try it for free. Then from here, download your free 14-day trial, so you're 30 seconds away from making takeoff and estimating a breeze. So basically put in your first name, last name, email address, phone and business name, and click on download now. So next page, it should say your download should start automatically. So here it is here. So it's about 40 megabytes in size. Should only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. So for the first time, we want to go ahead and open it up to start the installation process. So click onto yes. Then from here, it's going to move this across like so. Now we're going to have a read of the license agreement and click on I accept the agreement, click next. Now setup will install Planswift into the following folder. If you want to change a different destination folder, go ahead and click on browse and find that. I'm just going to keep that there. Now setup will create the program shortcut in the following start menu folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on yes, next. And I can also create a desktop shortcut. So I'm going to click next. Then from here we can change our default settings. So I'm English, so I'm going to keep that English, but you've got a few others to change. And default measurement time, it's metric or English, so I'm going to click on metric. Then from here, click on the install button. So this is going to go ahead and extract the files and start installing them on your PC or laptop. Alright, so it's finished installation. So once it finishes, it should open up. Here we go, so completing the Planswift setup wizard. So go ahead and click on to finish, and then that should open it up. It's opening up on my other screen at the moment, so when it finishes, I'll just drag it across and show you that it was successful. Alright, so once you've done that, you're going to come to the program inside the Planswift tab, and then you can start using it.